Nasturtium is a herbaceous plant that has been used in traditional medicine practices in places such as South America since at least the 1500s. What is Nasturtium good for? Traditional uses of these plants included making teas and tonics to soothe sore throats and colds, and even using the flowers, seeds and leaves as natural antibiotics to help heal internal infections. We know from recent research that Nasturtium plants have numerous healing properties due to containing antioxidants, vitamins, trace elements and bioactive compounds that can help support the immune, respiratory and digestive systems. Nasturtium, Tropiolum, is a genus of 80 herbal plant species in the Tropiolaceae/Brassicaceae family. The most well-known types of Tropiolaceae plants include T. majus, T. minus, T. peregrinum and T. speciosum. The species that most people refer to when they say Nasturtium is Tropiolum majusale, the variety that is most often evaluated in research studies.
Zero Fat TV. Think different. Zero Fat TV. Presentation. Nasturtium. Improve the immune system, tackling sore throats, coughs, and colds, as well as bacterial and fungal infections.
Nasturtiums are native to South and Central America and were named by a Swedish botanist named Carl Linnaeus, who thought the flower petals resembled Roman trophy poles, trapeums. According to Urban Cultivator, Linnaeus thought the leaves looked like shields, and the red flowers looked like blood-stained helmets. Because there are many different species in this plant family, their flowers come in a wide range of colors, including bright yellow, orange and red flowers. Nasturtiums have lush, round leaves and big, drooping flowers that make them stand out in gardens. Can you eat nasturtiums? Yes, almost every part of this plant is edible. The leaves are described by many as pretty peppery and delicious, similar to watercress and mustard greens. In recipes, you'll sometimes find nasturtiums described as edible flowers. Nasturtium stems and seeds are also edible and chock full of nutrients, as are root vegetables/tubers that some species of these plants grow underground. The green leaves and flowers of nasturtiums are rich in antioxidants and other nutrients, including vitamin C. According to some studies, the flowers contain about 130 milligrams of vitamin C per 3.5-ounce serving, which is a similar amount to nutrient-dense parsley. Additionally, Tropiolaceae plants are a good source of essential nutrients, including potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, calcium, manganese, copper, zinc and iron. Where these plants really shine is their impressively high supply of the antioxidant called lutein, which is associated with protection against free radical damage and support for eye and skin health. Nasturtium can contain up to 45 milligrams of lutein per 100 gram serving, which is considered to be among the highest amount found in any edible plant/herb. There's evidence indicating that plants belonging to the family Tropiolaceae also have high ORAC scores and contain trace elements and bioactive compounds, which can be easily absorbed by the human body. The flowers and other parts of the plants not only contain essential vitamins and minerals, but also bioflavonoids, such as myricidin, quercetin and camphorol derivatives, and beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A. Antioxidant activity of these plants seems to be due to high contents of compounds such as anthocyanins, polyphenols and vitamin C. These make them beneficial for the treatment of conditions affecting the respiratory and digestive systems, as well as the skin when applied topically. Erucic acid, a type of omega-9 fatty acid, is another beneficial compound found in nasturtium seeds. It acts as a natural lubricant and can be used in dermatology treatments to help treat symptoms affecting skin and hair, since it has hydrating and emollient effects. According to a number of studies, the essential oil, the extract from the flowers and leaves, and the compounds isolated from various parts of these plants have natural antimicrobial, antifungal, hypotensive, expectorant, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. Studies have shown that the leaves specifically possess natural antibiotic properties that may be able to help people coping with illnesses and infections, such as respiratory infections, congestion, coughs, bronchitis and colds. In traditional herbal medicine, certain species are also used to treat urinary tract infections. In Germany, licensed physicians are even allowed to prescribe an herbal antibiotic made with nasturtium and horseradish root, to treat acute sinusitis, acute bronchitis and acute urinary tract infections. Part of the antibacterial effects of these plants is due to the presence of volatile oils, such as myristicin, alpha-terpinolene and limonene, the main components found in the stems, seeds and leaves. Studies have found that these compounds demonstrate natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activities and seem capable of helping fight off a variety of illnesses. Nasturtiums can be used similarly to microgreens and other edible flowers, such as in salads, to make pesto, on top of pizzas and sandwiches, and even to decorate cakes. Additionally, this plant is used to brew herbal tea that is both hydrating and a good source of several nutrients. Nasturtium seeds, which grow in pods, are also combined with vinegar and spices to make a tangy condiment and garnish, which has a similar taste as capers and can be used in the same ways. What does nasturtium taste like? It has a mildly peppery flavor that is somewhat similar to mustard, although less spicy. Its taste is also similar to watercress, so you can basically substitute one for the other in most recipes. Nasturtiums are a genus of herbaceous flowering plants that have big, bright flowers and large green leaves. The leaves, flowers and seeds are all edible and good sources of nutrients, including antioxidants like lutein, vitamin C, manganese and others. Nasturtium recipes include homemade pestos, salads with edible flowers, sandwiches and decorative cakes. You can use the flowers to add color and nutrients to recipes and the leaves for a peppery bite similar to mustard.
Thanks for watching. New videos every Wednesday. Check back for more awesome content. Next up, hibiscus tea. Links in the description. Subscribe.
Falling down is how we grow. Staying down is how we die.